Unsa man ang panagna ni camping ni adtong May 21, 2011. That was the time of unsa ko? Rapture. And after 5 months, the end of the world. So from May 2011, ang culmination sa 5 months will end October 21. Matapos sa kalibutan, sumala siyang panagna ni camping, Harold Camping. Gusto lang madayon. Madayon, no? Pero kaayaw na pag madayon. October 22 will be the whole impact of our church. Let us join. Okay? Let us join the Hope Impact 2, October 22. Hope Channel Project. This is the project of our church. Doon na tayo FM station nga ginaput upon sa Mati, donated by the Dilunis. It's the project of the church. This is the other one. Presently, the offer of pagsel sa DXIP, there is an above EM station. Maniroon ang dinegosate for purchase sa our church. Let us pray for this.